YouTubians and fellow hobbyists, welcome to another Saturday morning show. As you see, we go on vacation, but more of that later. For now, first, as always, here is the riddle. Bunny, did you know where my shorts are? Oh, thank you. What is the top speed of the Porsche 918? A. 198 miles per hour, B. 218 miles per hour, or C. 228 miles per hour? The answer is always the end of the show. In the garage, we finished the Porsche 918 Spider. It was a real challenge for me because I kind of knew this whole box stock thing. As you guys know, I kind of like to modify stuff. But see for yourself down in the garage. Shirts? Do we have shirts?
What kind of shirts?
Some good ones. Here in the garage, there's just a few less steps to finish our model car. So, mounting the rear wing. Now have fun with some eye candy pictures. So, but now, back in the studio. This week I received a shop card from a very special friend of mine, Charlie Mack. Please check out his channel. He's an awesome builder and a nice cook. I really would wish that we would live closer and so we could have a cookout. That would be really cool. And one of my favorite builds that he made was a truck. You know, he did it like you know, this apocalyptic zombie hunter thing. It was fantastic. It had rocket launchers and everything. And so to happen that on his new shop card, which he sent it to me, thank you Charlie, he has it on it. So I have it always in reach. So thank you Charlie, check out his channel. Now to topic of the week. Thank you for the shirts.
Don't ask when you're shaving, kid, it's hard.
As some of you know, I live in Austria. It's a tiny little country in Europe. But the majority of my family live in the United States. And every other year, if did good and we have enough money on the side, we go and visit family and friends. So it just happened this year that we did a good year and we have money on the side. So we take a plane and we go and visit families. We have some nice barbecues, hanging out with good friends and our family, have long talks. So that's why we're gonna have next 5 weeks a little break, because we are a couple thousand miles away from the studio. So that's why we're gonna have a little break. Sports cars are expensive, sexy and fast. But how fast is the 918 Spider? See in the riddle. Schatzi, do I need something warm too, like a warm jacket or something like this?
Yeah, you need a jacket. You're gonna. Oh wait, I got a few things for you. Here's a hat for the airplane.
Thank you.
And a jacket for when it gets cold on the beach.
You rock, girl. Oh. You think we need a bigger suitcase?
I got one of those too.
Awesome. Okay, a little guitar amp is always good too. So this show comes to an end. I hope you all have the next couple weeks great time. Keep on building those awesome models, my friends. We will see you the 4th of August, Saturday. God bless all. Do well, stay healthy, enjoy the time. And now, bye-bye! Honey, do we have a bigger suitcase? Oh, yeah. Now I'm talking business. Bye! You get lazy over the years. I can't believe you did that.
See, this time it's not me, it's you.
Well. Anyways.